Hi. If you have a house, you buy a house, 500,000, right? They say the selling price is S&P in the property is 500,000, and you got an interest of 2.75, and you take, say you're 20 years old, you buy, or 25 years old, you buy it, and after within the next 35 years, and the banker says that your money worth will be 1,855. uh, is it correct? Well, you can actually really key in by using this PMT here. So we use the Excel function called PMT to achieve that. So first, your interest rate, you divide by 12, and comma, and you divide by the number of months. 25 years is 420 months, and comma, and then the loan amount is 500,000, and then so on, right? This one. So then it calculated. Hey, then the bankers use the calculator, and it's like 1,855. And then you look at your current. You're renting a house for 1,000 or 1,002. And you say, okay, it's for another 600. That's it. Not much. No big deal. Okay. The big deal is that this interest rate is not fixed. At the moment, it seems like it is, but as you can hear that in the last few months, bank guarantee increased by 25% basic point. What does it mean? It means that here now the difference is 69, and then after a few months, bank say increase another 25%. Now, oh yeah, sorry, that would be too exaggerate, right? Another 25%. Oh, sorry, it's a 2.5, right? 0.025. Okay, so now the difference is 76 ringgit. And wait the minute. So maybe I just put it 0.25%. Okay, and the difference is 139. And then another third round. Now it become 3.5. It's no longer the original interest rate 2.75. This is what the banker don't tells you, or maybe you didn't ask. Well, now you know. Now what if banker says, right, I want to increase another 35%. Um, Now you have to fork out additional every month 284. And suppose that this interest rate for another 10, another 2 years, right, will be there. It will not go down. Have I ever heard of it will go down? Maybe. I'm not sure. So you can Google about it. Is there ever that OPR will actually reduce? I'm not sure, right? If it is, then you can file another things. So now the difference is additional 284 ringgit. This is huge. Okay, and so there is a base rate, but there is never a ceiling. Okay, there is a ceiling. Is there? Okay. So anyway, you see the differences of having these Excel functions in your mind, and you can apply it to your, I mean, a month to month. This is a very important functions. I hope this is helpful to you, and it certainly help those people who are just married, 25 years old, just married, and then you're looking for a house. Well, you can. It's just that think about this, right? So if you find that this is still possible, and do a calculation, you find it's okay, well, just go ahead. Yeah. And yeah, so I just curious, right? What if I ultimately increase to say by half for it, right? So let's say 6%, right? So let's say I change it to 3. So over years become this. That would be a difference of 1,251. a month, no, a monthly difference is 1,200, and you can, and did our salary increase that much, that fast? No. So we can see that with more and more job being reduced as you age, you also need to consider that the world is not favorable to the old. Retrenchment will happen and it will cut those managerial posts. You have seen it again and again. So be prepared for the very volatile world. Be a professional, learn more skill, learn to be a HRT Corp certified accredited trainer, get more certificates. It will help you. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Asia. Strive.